entire Krishna consciousness movement is to give chance to the people in general hearing about Krishna. That's either hearing Hare Krishna mantra, or hearing Bhagavad Gita, or hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, anything you like, hear about Krishna. Try to hear about Krishna in meek and humble attitude. Then gradually everything will be revealed. Atas Sri Krishna Namadi Navavidyayam Indriyai. By simple speculation, you cannot understand what is Krishna, what is his name, what is his form, what is his quality, what is his pastime. We cannot. Atas Sri Krishna Namadi Navavidyayam Indriyai. By these blind senses we cannot understand what is Krishna. Sevanmukhi jivhado sayameva suratam. But if you engage yourself in his transcendental loving service, beginning with the tongue. Sevanmukhi jiva. So hearing by the ear and chanting by the tongue is the supreme method recommended by all authorities. This is Sravanam Kirtanam. Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, Smaranam Parvasivanam, Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Mahasamudira. So we must be inquisitive, we must be very eager. That eagerness should be aroused. Where Krishna Katha is being taught, let me go there. Let me hear. In this Vrindavan you will find there are many places they are hearing about Krishna. So, either Vrindavan or anywhere else, wherever Krishna is heard, that is Vrindavan. Not that Vrindavan is limited with a certain space. Vrindavan is transcendent. Tatra Krishnami Narada Tatra Gayanti Madhu. Krishna says, I stay there where my pure devotees chant about Tatra Gayanti Madhu. So if you become pure devotee, and if you chant this Hare Krishna mantra, you can create Vrindavan anywhere, any part of the world. Not that you have got to come here. You come here, that's all right, because it is established Vrindavan. When Krishna comes here, whenever he comes on this planet, he comes here, there are so many devotees. Certainly, there is meaning, there is importance of this dham. But still, if it is not possible to come here, you can create Vrindavan anywhere, provided you are a pure devotee and you are chanting Hare Krishna mantra without any audience. Just like we have got our new Vrindavan. This year we have seen practically how these American boys and girls, hundreds and thousands, always were remaining not less than 500 to 700, and for 1 week continually in Janmashtami we observed Janmashtami festival. Actually, it was as good as this Vrindavan, because the chanting of the holy name was going on, and hearing about Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavata was going on. There was Tulsi, friends, devotees, Sri Vigraha, everything was there. So actually it was replica of Sri Vrindavan.